Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So Palantir is currently down 5% for the day as per making this video, and everybody is panicking. Oh my God, Home Alone moment. What the fuck is happening? Should I sell Palantir? Listen, when the stock is up 130% year to date, some pullback is not only good, it's healthy and it's normal. Now, there's several reasons for the pullback. Number one is the ridiculous run-up that we've had, and I believe that we can still keep running up, and I'll tell you why in a moment. And number two is there's going to be a C3AI earnings call after the bell. If you guys don't know, C3AI is considered to be a competitor of Palantir because they're kind of in the same space doing kind of similar things, but not exactly. And I know that sounds really bad what I said, but I think if you know what I mean. I actually put a put on C3AI because I'm betting that their earnings are going to be not good, same thing like Snow, and Palantir is actually going to pick up after that because people are going to see, hey, Palantir is actually talking the talk and walking the walk, not just full of shit like Snowflake and C3AI that are not going to be able to grow. In any case, the answer that I wanted to give you guys, or the little piece of information that I wanted to give you guys, is tomorrow is going to be AIP Con, okay? So many people are like, oh, Palantir to the moon, Palantir to the moon, Palantir to the moon. And the whole basis, the whole thesis, the whole backbone, the whole footing and foundation, literally the fucking guts of Palantir is artificial intelligence. So they were supposed to have something called Foundry Con, which is basically their commercial use case, and they were supposed to have a Foundry Con. They changed Foundry Con to AIP Con. Everybody was mad excited, literally to showcase the artificial intelligence wing, the artificial intelligence platform of Palantir, i.e. ChatGPT for your business, specifically for your needs. And everybody was super excited, and all of a sudden people are like, I'm selling blah, 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 right before artificial intelligence platform convention. Like, I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. I'm going to give you guys a preview in just a moment. But at the end of the day, the whole fucking point, the whole use case of Palantir is artificial intelligence. Palantir tomorrow is going to have an entire platform, the first inaugural artificial intelligence platform convention. And people are like, I'm out of Palantir. I'm done. Like, it's absolutely absurd in my opinion. Now, I'm not judging nobody. Everybody does what's good for them because eventually at one point in time, I will do what's good for me and my family. So I'm not judging. I'm just saying I think that it's ridiculous to get out of Palantir a day or two or a week before artificial intelligence platform convention because this is literally what is supposed to drive growth of Palantir for the next decade. If you really are trying to ride this artificial intelligence train all the way home, then I don't understand how you cannot be in Palantir leading up to Artificial Intelligence Platform Convention. Guys, I wanted to read you two things. There's a publications from Jacobs right now. Jacobs Engineering is one of the largest engineering firms in the world. Jacobs has been working with Palantir for quite a while. Literally, Jacobs says that with Palantir Foundry, which is Palantir's commercial suite, commercial solution, they were able to already take an extremely efficient plant and make it like 10% more efficient. And they said the reason they were able to do that is because unlike most softwares that are reactive, Palantir is proactive. What does that mean? Palantir gives you the ability to figure out problems before problems occur. Like I said, Palantir makes you more efficient by making you less inefficient. Others, for example, C3AI and Snow, are reactive. They're going to give you solutions to problems once the problems are there. And everybody knows in life, as shitty as it is and as hard as it is, you want to tackle a problem head on and hopefully cut it off and get in front of a problem before a small thing, a small issue, becomes a fucking catastrophe. Let me read you this quick publication. This is a tweet from Palantir. We are proud to announce our expanded partnership with Jacobs Connects, incorporating Palantir AIP to unlock unprecedented speed, greater efficiency, and more informed decision-making for their clients. And this is the actual release. If you guys are unfamiliar, Jacobs is those are the people that they had a interview with on CNBC with Jim Cramer, and Jim Cramer is like, Jacobs supports Palantir, so I'm all into Palantir. I support Palantir too. Now, take aside if you guys like Jim Cramer or not. I'm just explaining to you what this company is. And then if you look at the actual expansion, and I quote, While we have understood the power and promise of AI for years, we saw clear challenges with secure deployment, said Jacobs CEO Bob Pragda. With Jacobs' continued focus on data solutions combined with our deep domain knowledge, we're enabling AI to create value for our clients. Guys, this is the case right here. Artificial intelligence, not just for the fucking sake of artificial intelligence to make you the best company you can possibly be. And by making you the most efficient company you possibly can be, you help out your clients, your customers as much as possible. Increasing your productivity, increasing your efficiency by 10% increases the productivity and the final product for your customers by the equivalent 10% or more or less, right? I don't know the exact ratio, but you guys get what I'm trying to say. And at the end of the day, this increases your profits as a company and decreases the costs for your customers in the long run. It is a win-win situation. And that's what I'm trying to say, that artificial intelligence might just be the Renaissance revolution that we were looking for in the United States for the next decade or two. Our expanded partnership with Palantir is a key differentiator in bringing built-in transparency, guardrails, and security solutions for our clients on the time horizon measured in weeks, not years. I did not read this press release. This is the first time I'm reading it. Look what they said. Bringing solutions to our clients in weeks, not years. Why? Number one, Palantir. Number two, Palantir Foundry. And number three, Palantir AIP, which is now going to be a Foundry on steroids because you need Foundry to use AIP. AIP is built on top of Foundry. Also on top of Gotham, Apollo, Edge, all of their systems are going to be working with artificial intelligence platform, which is really, really dope. Now, I had an article yesterday. The article was written by Merck, and Merck had a partnership with Palantir, has since 2017, and they were talking about a digital transformation with Palantir. In that, they said, listen, working with Palantir's artificial intelligence, Palantir Foundry, is a win-win-win situation. First win is, it is a win for our company. Second win is it's a win for our customers. And third win is it's a win to our bottom line, driving in a shit ton of revenue. Now, this video is right here. You guys can check it out. I'm not making this up. This was literally written in an article by Merck. And now I'm reading you this article about Jacobs. This is, again, not me making this up. This is factual. And I quote, "We are already deploying AI to optimize the entire water life cycle from a day-to-day management on long-term planning and design. And now we're diving deeper across new sectors," said Jacobs' Executive Vice President and President of Divergent Solutions. Through the adoption of Foundry and now AIP, remember, it's not just AIP. You have to have Foundry, and then on top of Foundry, you use AIP, increasing the net from every single client. The AI-powered solutions with real-time computing power, actionable data, and control, said Palantir CTO Shyam Sankar, and I quote, "Our previous success in helping Jacobs clients achieve efficiency improvements in energy utilization and chemical usage is only the beginning." It's like Palantir is already amazing, and this is only the beginning. We're going to be that much more amazing. Right now it's 11/11, make a wish. I need Palantir to double up. Let me show you one more quick thing. This was a tweet from Jorgen. Shout him out. Definitely give this guy a follow at JORGEN Thoughts. Let me follow him back, actually. Okay, now I'm following him as well. So he came out with this, and this, again, I want you guys to understand where this is going. Tomorrow is going to be AIP Con. For you not to be in Palantir for AIP Con, I'm not telling you what to do, but it's silly to me because this is literally what we were waiting for the last 2 fucking years. So I think we can safely assume Sampo is using Palantir AIP. Sampo was heavily utilizing Palantir software, seeing the benefits led them to their partner to found a joint venture, Palantir Japan. So they're partners with Palantir and Palantir Japan. Below is from their full year 2022 management plan. So this is the deck. It's beautiful. I actually reviewed this with Amit. Let me go to the left. This is a contribution of a digital transformation. So then they had full year 2021, 2.2, which is Japanese yen, I believe, Japanese billions. They plan to have 9 billion in 2022. They actually got 12.3 billion in 2022, and now they're planning for 20 billion in 2020. And they break it down. New business opportunities, operation streamlining, and improvement in underwriting results. Now on the right-hand side, you're like, hey, Adam, but what does this have to do with Palantir? Driver for accelerating digital transformation, right? The driver for accelerating this DX. Palantir. They're literally saying the reason why we're so much more efficient and making so much more fucking money than we planned in actuality is because of Palantir. Palantir data-driven solutions to challenges utilizing in improving underwriting resulted in a positive 9.6 billion yen. Utilizing generative AI, large language models, LLMs, we are able to trial for internal use, identify use cases for practical applications, and start POC for introduction, and start working on setting rules and guidelines on compliance, information management, risks, etc., etc., etc. Guys, tomorrow is going to be AIP. Ahmed is going to be streaming it live on his channel, 12 o'clock Eastern time. I will be joining his live. I'm going to be on the field working. After that, I'm going to come back home. I'm going to join his live ASAP as soon as I could possibly get there. Definitely watch it with Ahmed. I'm going to join ASAP. Guys, this is the moment we were waiting for in Palantir. I honestly don't care. Buy, sell, trade, sideways. I don't care what you guys do. Everybody's a grown man and woman. Do what's good for you and your family, as I will do what's good for me and my family. But I just think it's a little silly to get out of Palantir right before Palantir is going to be doing their first presentation ever for artificial intelligence. Like, this is what we were waiting for 2 years. All my OGs who's been here for a long time will understand. People that are just coming into Palantir are so excited because of this whole artificial intelligence. Well, we finally have a presentation to give them while we had to dig deep like we were in the trenches for 2 years. And right before we have our first artificial intelligence platform presentation, you guys are out of Palantir. Like, it's absurd in my opinion. With that said, do whatever's good for you. I honestly don't care. Have a great day, everybody. Watch the live stream tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you guys want to support my channel, I have channel membership down below. It's $3 a month. YouTube takes $1, but the other $2 is going to buy me a cup of coffee. And if you guys don't want to join, as my cup says, it's all good. But if you could join my Twitter, I am going to have a link to channel membership and a link to my Twitter down below in the comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Let's make some fucking money.